Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss very basic concepts about word, phrase, clauses and sentences. So we all have gone through alphabets and the basic alphabets are letters. So A, B, C, D, K, 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 these are letters. So letters are combined to form words. Letters are combined into meaningful combination to form words. Let's say if we have the word like C, A, T. So if we combine TCA won't be a meaning. TCT won't make the meaning. But if we combine into the meaningful word like ACT, it has a meaning, act. If we combine it to CAT, it has a meaning. So from letter we make word. Meaningful combination of letter is word. Now word is a group of letter that carries meaning. We have already done that. So now word can be are the building blocks of a language. So when if there is a paragraph, if there is a sentence, the basic unit is word and the basic unit of word is letter. So now these words can be divided into part of speech, that's noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjunctions. So they can be divided into this. In some other video we'll also discuss this at length. So say we have a group of words. Let me write you some word. Like if I write a word like a is also word and also a letter. अ क्योंकि आर्टिकल है तो इसका मतलब एक भी होता है और अ लेटर भी है. Let me write some other word. A very. So very is also a word. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful is also word. Very beautiful. Red. Red is also a word. Carpet. Carpet is also a word. So if we combine these words together, what would it be? A very beautiful red carpet. Now, if you want to combine the word like a very, it does not have a meaning. So it is not a phrase. So phrase is a combination of words that give you a complete thought. If I say very beautiful, it has a meaning. It is a phrase. If I say beautiful red, it does not have a meaning. But if I say red carpet, it has a meaning. So meaningful combination of words become phrase. So here, but they do not form a complete thought. They have the meaning together. Like in the garden, very happy, running quickly. Now let's add. I was running quickly in the garden. Very happily कर लेते हैं. So running quickly has a meaning together. In the garden we have meaning together. Now these phrases can be of different type. It can be a noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase and prepositional phrases. So in other video we'll discuss about type of phrases. Here only we are discussing about what phrase is. So from letter we make words, from words we make phrases. Now let's come to clause. Now clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. So what is a subject and what is a predicate? If I say I am going, I'm going. So in this sentence, who we are talking about? We are talking about I. So I is subject. In a sentence, whoever or whatever you talk about is subject. And what you talk about subject is predicate. तुम आई के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि जा रहा हूँ, तो ये जा रहा हूँ क्या हो गया? Predicate हो गया. Now we have two kind of. So what is clause? Clause is a group of word that contains a subject and a predicate. Now we have two kind of clauses. First is independent clause and second is dependent clause. Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. Like she is reading a book because she was tired. So if we combine together, so this would be a sentence like she is reading a book because she likes it. Let's say because she likes she likes it. So if we divide into two, so C is reading a book has a complete meaning alone. But if we take this sentence because she like it, so it is an incomplete thought. This sentence depend on this sentence. So this is independent clause and this is dependent clause. And dependent clause are always added in a sentence with the help of subordinating conjunction. So you go through type of conjunction to understand it, what is coordinating and what is subordinating conjunction. So this we have independent clause and then we have dependent clause. Now let's come to clauses can now combine to form complex or compound sentence. So next let's come to sentence. Now sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It always have a subject and a predicate. Like Ria is reading a book. Ria is subject, is reading a book, a predicate. This all together is a sentence. We have different kind of sentences. First is simple sentence. Simple sentence is a sentence in which there is one dependent clause. Like I like ice cream. See, we have one subject, one predicate, which means one dependent clause. It's a simple sentence. Then we have compound sentence, where we have two or more independent clause. There is no dependent clause. And they are joined by a conjunction. Which kind of conjunction? Coordinating conjunction. We have already learned that coordinating conjunction can be remembered with this acronym of fanboys. और fanboys for and nor और yet and so इसके पहले हम कॉमा यूज़ करते हैं. तो अगर दो sentences connected हैं with the help of coordinating conjunction, it is compound sentence, which means कि ये दोनों ही independent thoughts है. So when we have two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunction, it becomes a compound sentence. So simple sentence, one subject, one predicate. Compound sentence, two independent clause. Now अब आते हैं अगर एक clause independent है और एक clause जो है वो dependent है, then it becomes complex sentence, where we have one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. So what kind of conjunction connected? Subordinating conjunction. You go through that video of conjunction, you'll understand what is subordinating conjunction. So here I ate ice cream. This is one sentence. Second is because it was hot outside. So if I utter this sentence, I ate an ice cream, it has a complete meaning alone. बट अगर ये सेंटेंस हो बिकॉज इट वॉज हॉट आउटसाइड, सो बिकॉज क्योंकि बाहर, अगर हम सिर्फ ये बोले कि क्योंकि बाहर गर्म था, तो किस लिए, बात क्या हो रही है? इट डज नॉट हैव अ कंप्लीट थॉट अलोन. इट डिपेंड्स. For getting its complete meaning, it depends on this sentence. So this is independent clause, this is dependent clause. So what do we have in complex sentence? One independent clause plus one or more dependent clauses. Then we have compound complex sentence, where we have two or more independent clause and one or more dependent clause. Like I ate an ice cream because it was hot and she drank lemonade. So we have this independent clause, then we have this dependent clause, again we have this independent clause. Independent clause क्यों है? क्योंकि coordinating conjunction से connected है. So to revise, simple sentence, one subject, one predicate. Compound sentence, two or more independent clause. Complex sentence, one independent and one dependent clause. Compound complex sentence, one or more independent clause, one or more dependent clause. So you can see, just for the revision, in this chart: letter, smallest unit of written language; word, group of letter with meaning; phrase, group of word but no complete thought. For complete thought, we go for the clause and sentences. Clause, subject plus predicate may or may not stand alone. And then we have sentence that has complete thought with subject and predicate. So this is very basic that you should go. Thank you. You should go through.